rising above every other mountain on Earth, is a place where beauty, danger, and survival meet. Mount Everest reaches approximately 8,849 meters above sea level, making it the highest mountain on our planet. But reaching the summit is one of the greatest challenges a human can face. Everest exists because the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates have been colliding for millions of years, pushing the Himalayas ever higher. Even today, the mountain continues to rise by a few millimeters each year, as Earth's crust keeps moving. At the summit, temperatures can plunge far below freezing. The air contains only about 1/3 of the oxygen available at sea level. Above approximately 8,000 meters lies a region known as the death zone. At this altitude, the thin air provides far less oxygen, making even simple movements physically exhausting. Climbers must carefully manage their time, energy, and oxygen, because prolonged exposure to these conditions greatly increases the risk of altitude-related illness. After days of climbing through ice, rock, and extreme weather, only a small number of people reach the summit each year. From the roof of the world, the view reveals one of the most spectacular landscapes on Earth. Yet every experienced mountaineer knows that reaching the summit is only halfway. A safe return is the true measure of a successful climb. Mount Everest is more than the highest mountain on Earth. It is a natural laboratory that helps scientists study geology, glaciers, weather, and our changing climate. The glaciers of the Himalayas store vast amounts of fresh water, supplying rivers that support hundreds of millions of people downstream. Formed by the immense forces of our planet, Mount Everest stands as a powerful reminder that Earth is still changing, one mountain at a time. This is Fact Horizon, where science meets wonder. Stay curious, explore beyond. Join us next time as we uncover another extraordinary wonder of our world and beyond.